do experiment in Stormworks. We're gonna see if a train. What happens when a train? Why am I when a train goes through? What happens when a train? What is wrong with me? What happens when a train goes through a tornado? So yeah, we're gonna spawn in the train. Let's just get on the elevator. Open the door. Put the elevator all the way up. Close the door. Turn on the monitors. Turn on. Okay. So now we're gonna go a little bit forward. We're gonna turn off the wall. We're gonna turn out the throttle all the way up. We'll turn on the brakes. We're actually gonna go a little bit more slow. Okay, it's good. And whoa, wait. Let's reverse. Three, two, one. Okay, we're good. And then let's turn down reverse. Put forwards up a little bit. Okay, and let's spawn in the tornado. Guys, I'll be back with you when the tornado is. No, actually, I'm gonna wait with you guys for a little bit. So the question is, does the train fly off the tracks or does it stay on the tracks? Oh, the steam is already changing directions. Oh, this tornado spawned in. All the containers are flying over there. Well, the tornado is not pulling us off the tracks. It's kind of like just pulling us forward and backwards. So be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So it is like the tornado is kind of like pulling. Sorry. So all the water aren't really flying anymore. Yeah, trains are the safest thing in Florida when there is this tornado because everything just flies off. So all the containers just flew right off. So yeah, let's see if we can get out of here. Turn off brakes, throttle, that all the way up. Let's go. We're reversing. Alright, the tornado needs to go forward for us to go forward also. Oh, is it gonna get out? Oh, I think we did it. I think we got out of the tornado for it blowing us. Okay, guys. So the train does not fly off the track. It stays on, but it does move forward and backwards. So, thanks for watching.